Students, today we are going to discuss about the syllabus of physics first year student. First of all, we are taking a overview of the entire syllabus. As we know, there is two paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 and paper 2 for honors students. So in paper 1 there is main topic is mechanics and properties of mechanics and properties of matter and special theory of relativity. Properties of matter, mechanics and properties of matter and special theory of relativity. Now in paper 2 mainly the topic is heat and thermodynamics. Now we are going to see the syllabus in detail. So first of all, here we are going to see the mechanics and properties of matter, detailed syllabus of mechanics and properties of matter. So here this is the syllabus mechanics, and students, it is also important to know that as a paper point of view, questions are divided in mainly 3 group. So in group A there is 6 short answer type questions and 4 numerical type questions, and we have to answer 3 short type questions and 2 numerical type questions. Means 50% of these questions we have to answer. These are the short type questions. And then next group is group B. In this group, questions 4 questions are raised, and for group B the syllabus is here. Detailed syllabus is given here. Now let's see the syllabus one by one. Now come to the point. This is the syllabus for group B: inertial frame of references and non-inertial frames. This topic, and second topic is, this is C, Coriolis and centrifugal forces and their simple application. And next is generalized coordinates and constraints, holonomic and non-holonomic. Next topic is D'Alembert's principle and Lagrange's equations of motion. Another topic is Hamilton's equations of motion and their simple applications. Next is gravitational potential and field due to bodies of regular geometrical shapes. And motion in next is motion in central field, Kepler's law, two particle motion in a central field. Next is elasticity and elastic constant, relation between elastic constants, building of beam and cantilever, torsion of cylinder and rigidity modulus by flat spiral ring and non-flat spiral, effect of temperature and pressure on elasticity. Next is surface tension and surface energy, principle of virtual work and its application to surface tension. Next topic is ripple and gravity waves, surface tension by the method of ripples, effect of temperature and pressure on surface tension. Next is effect perfect fluid. Next is equation of continuity, Euler's equations of perfect fluid, Bernoulli's equation, Helmholtz Kelvin theorem on viscosity. Next is viscosity of liquids, critical velocity, Poiseuille's formula with correction. Next is flow of tube, viscosity of gases, Rakin's method, effect of temperature and pressure on viscosity. And next is special theory of relativity. In special theory of relativity, there is the topic we have to cover: Galilean transformation, inertial frame of references, Michelson-Morley experiments, Lorentz Fitzgerald's contraction, Einstein postulates Lorentz transformation and its consequences, length contraction and time dilation, additional of velocities, dragging of light by moving medium, relativistic Doppler effect for propagation of light waves. This is aberration of light, variation of mass with velocity, mass energy relation. Next is waves and vibration, differential equation of a wave, equation of progressive waves, stationary waves, compression waves in fluid and in extended solids. Next is free damped and formed vibration in one dimension, Fourier series and its application to rectangular and sawtooth waves, vibration of a string. Next is intensity and loudness of sound and their measurements, acoustics of buildings. This is whole syllabus of paper 1. And dear students, as earlier I told you, in group A there is 6 short answer type questions and 4 numerical type questions. These questions are all around from the syllabus, from whole syllabus. These questions comes from a whole syllabus. So this is the matter of fact, and now we are going to see the syllabus for paper 2. In paper 2 mainly there is a heat and thermodynamics, heat and thermodynamics. In as earlier we saw, the in group A question came 6 short type questions and 4 numerical type questions. This is same here in paper 2. Now we are going to see the syllabus of group B and group C. So now we are going to see the details syllabus of paper 2. In paper 2 there is heat and thermodynamics. In group B there is heat. So the topic in this group is derivation of Maxwell's law of distribution of velocities and its experimental verification. Parcellation of energy, mean free path, transport phenomena, viscosity, conduction and diffusion, Brownian motion, Langevin and Einstein's theory and its experimental determination of Avogadro's number. Rectilinear flow of heat in a metal rod, conductivity by periodic flow method, relation of thermal and electrical conductivities, van der Waals equation of state. And in thermodynamics the syllabus is zeroth law of thermodynamics, definition of temperature, first and second law of thermodynamics, Carnot's engine and Carnot's theorem, absolute scale of temperature, Clausius inequality, entropy changes in reversible and irreversible process, enthalpy, Helmholtz and Gibbs functions, Helmholtz equations, Maxwell's equation and its application to simple physical problems. Thermodynamic descriptions of phase transitions, chemical potential, latent heat of transitions, Clapeyron equation, Grothendieck scheme of phase transitions, Joule-Thomson effect, liquefaction of gases with special references to hydrogen and helium, production and measurement of low temperature black body radiations, Kirchhoff's law, Stephen's law, Wein's law, Planck's law and its experimental verifications, Einstein and Debye theory of specific heat of solids. This is the syllabus for syllabus of paper 1 and paper 2 for physics. First year is first part first for physics part 1 students. Now there is a syllabus for honors student for practical. It is very important to know that there is practical for the honors student, and the marks for practical exam is 50 marks and time is 6 hours, and pass marks is 23. And syllabus for the practical examination is first practical is determination of G by status pendulum. Next is Young's modulus by flexure of beam. Third, practically elastic constants by Searle's method. Rigidity modulus by statical method and dynamical method. Moment of inertia by flywheel. Surface tension by Jaeger's method. Surface tension by the method of ripples. Surface tension by soap bubbles. Next is viscosity of water by capillary flow method, and viscosity of air by Rakin's method. Viscosity of Slocks, viscosity by Slocks method. Laws of transverse vibration by sonometer. Frequency of tuning fork by Meld's experiments. Velocity ultrasonic waves in a liquid. Gamma of gas by constant pressure thermometer. Next is gamma of liquid by Zener's method. Specific heat of solid by radiation correction. Specific heat of liquid by cooling method. Next is thermal conductivity of copper and thermal conductivity of ebonite by lace disc method, and J by Joule's calorimeter. Now this is the whole syllabus for part 1 physics honors students.